this big boy down now. But yeah. Okay. Drop it. Guess I have to drop it straight out that way. Yep. I was just showing you. It looks good, see? Wasn't no decay. I mean, a little, other than the typical, you know, stuff in the bark. But it had to be something else to hit it. It just, I don't know. Yeah. It could have them. Not out of the ordinary though. I mean, because these trees always have pests in them, but it looks good down here. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me mark it. mind that bark being gone, do you? It's just in those spots where the bark is gone. That won't be an issue, will it? That's the only. But come check this size out. Make sure it's okay. Okay. But I got this one cut about like what you said, and I'll stand it up for you.
This is okay. This is okay.
Okay. Yeah. And
Yeah. In any case, I think the bark will decay away.
yeah, it's gonna eventually it's gonna pop off anyway.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
But
This
about that high is good.
That high.
Okay, and I got you one more here.
The other side of the one.
You want one more? Okay, I got you. One more.
So you can just roll it down.
Okay, I'll get my guys. Where you want it? Where the chairs are there? I'll get the guys to roll it down there. They'll roll it down just a second. And I'll get you one more. Okay. Thank you. Guys, roll these three right down there. Right there where they're standing at. Right down there. Just lay them on their side. You can roll them down. Just stand in front of them so they don't get away from them. So they find it. Just don't let them get away from it. You alright? It's all dust. I got it. Might not be perfect, but they close. So okay. Stay there. There we go. That's better. Okay. Is this okay for right now? Okay. Okay, no problem. Get this extra stuff up. Okay, good deal. Cut the rest of that up. Pull it, no, Vic, pull it down. No, hold on. I don't show you a secret. Oh, that worked. Okay. I ain't see that extra nub down there. I was gonna say sometimes you pull it out that way to work out, but it's fine. You got it. A little trick of the trade anyway, huh? up as good as we can, you know. It's gonna be a little bit left over, but we just try to get the bulk of it, okay? If you need to use that bucket, I got that orange bucket on the truck if you want to use that. However you want to do it. Because I know I ain't bringing that scoop shovel. Just kind of get as good as you can, the biggest stuff. Yeah. I'll roll these down. I can take care of these. Oh no, that's fine. I'm just gonna roll right over. It doesn't hurt nothing. Whew, that's it. Ah, yeah. Just use the bucket from now on because it's going to break it the rest of the way. Just sit that off to the side somewhere because we're going to need that to hold in this stuff. Okay. I didn't bring the other one. I didn't bring the other one. Huh? Oh, I know. That's one. But I don't want this. Whenever we still need to be able to put that board back up.
Oh, yeah.
I got this one. I got it. Yeah. Y'all grab the other one. Or just roll it down here, I can do it. Man, I lost a few screws. Huh? Now these, like, compared to what we normally lift, Vic, tell them, whew, these ain't half bad. Whoops. Could you do cash so I can pay my guys since it's Saturday? Or if you can do part cash, part check maybe?
Let me see if I have cash. If it is a part check, then check in whose name.
Oh, let me get my card. Yeah, I'll give you a card. I forgot to give you one. I was here.
And what happens to this, whatever is the remaining stump?
I'm going to give you a guy's number who'll grind it for you if you want to go.
I don't want to grind it because it's not in the grass line.
It'll just decay over the years.
Can you maybe drill, maybe make some holes so that water seeps in?
I don't...
So I would make it in your tree service company name?
Make it in my name.
In
right
a personal name.
Yeah.
Let me see how much cash.
Okay. I mean, I can cut it the best I can on the top, maybe cut some lines in. That's what I do sometimes.
Yeah, do something so that water seeps in.
Okay, to get it to decay faster. Okay,
yeah,
I can do that.
Make a cone or funnel or maybe some lines.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'll take care of it. Let's see. I've been losing my screws, man. Go ahead, let it roll, Vic. I got it. Let it roll. Watch yourself, Drew. Watch yourself, Drew. My fault. I thought he was still. All right, that's good. I can take it from there, Drew. Appreciate it. We got water and stuff too. I was meant to tell you that. I don't know if Vic told you. We got to put this stuff over in there. Yeah, that one too. Yeah, I'll take it from right there. It's right there. Perfect. Appreciate it. You might have to dump it over the side. No problem. Just dump it right over the side here. Or over there anywhere. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there you go. You got pretty much everything. Might be a stick or two in there left over. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy though. You got another one? You want to dump that too?
No, I don't have a sticker for that.
Oh, okay. You got anything in it?
No.
Okay, I was just saying I can dump it for you. Save you a trip. I mean, save you from having to get that. You want to throw that in here?
Yeah, that also.
And I was gonna say this might have poison ivy on it, so make sure. I don't know if y'all allergic or anything.
Where?
Just on this stuff. Sometimes this is English ivy.
No, this is not the poison.
No, but there was some on it. I'll show you.
Yeah, we have it somewhere. Look, this is poison.
Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah, that one. It was one or two little vines on it when I went up, but it wasn't a whole lot though. It was kind of intertwined in. But I'm just saying, just wash your hands real good. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, got it every time, but it goes back.
Okay. Yeah, it's real. It's hard.
Yeah, some people have
Allergies. Yeah. I didn't know if you had bad allergy or anything to it. Because if you do, it's gonna. I'll get this up for you. So just wash it. As long as you wash up real good, you should be fine.
You are allergic to it?
Nah, we get it all the time. I got so much to where now it doesn't even
It doesn't harm anyone.
It just, I can feel the burn of it though, but my immune system kicks right on in.
How was it the first time?
Oh wow, had it everywhere. I had it neck, eyebrows, I had it all everywhere. Yeah. I had it so much, I would get it so bad. My body finally caught up to it, but it used to be real bad. Whew.
I got enough cash.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I forgot to mention that to you. That way you could have went out today if you needed to. But it's just Sunday. I'm gonna be going out of town too, so I won't even be able to see the guy. So I wanted to make sure I could pay him.
So this is your regular crew?
Yeah. These two guys. If I ever need, and sometimes I get more guys. If depending on the job. Yeah. Probably. Oh, you want his number? I could.
No, I don't want his number. Just
Okay. But yeah, he would probably charge you anywhere from probably a stump like that out in the yard, anywhere from probably 50 to 100-ish.
Okay.
I just wouldn't know until.
No, the reason why I ask is that we had a tree in someone else's house, my friend's house there.
Yeah.
Last week they got it done, removed it and the sun grinding, and they were charged like 1,200
For the stump too?
for the whole thing.
Oh wow, well that ain't bad.
But 1,200, I think it's a bit too much.
But how
it
big was
very
the tree
close.
though? How big?
No, the tree was maybe slightly bigger than this, but
Okay.
it was very close to the building.
Oh yeah, well that's
So maybe
probably why,
dangerous.
because like my deductible was $1,000. So most times if it's close to a building, they'll start at 1,000. That's where the bid starts.
Yeah, because then it's dangerous.
Yeah, and that's just because even if because like say if this was right here and I dropped a limb on your gutter, although gutters ain't that expensive to fix, but still, that's out of the total cost. And you still got all the extra costs. So
what happens if you're cutting something and it falls on the building, damages the building?
more than likely, I just fix it. See, what I do, that way I don't have to claim no insurance.
Correct.
I just come out my pocket and pay it, and that's why then I try to charge for the job, because I wouldn't do a job if, like I'm telling you, I've worked over houses, limbs halfway over the house this big, and you have to rope all that stuff back around, and you gotta be really careful so you take it small. But it's just the idea. If anything ever punctured I can't get the word. Yeah, the roofing tiles or the roofing. I got guys that can come in and fix your roof. Got guys that'll fix the gutter. Yeah, yeah, it's cheaper.
Yeah, because otherwise your premium
Yeah,
goes up.
exactly. As soon as you clean, you know how just like with your house, it's like if it's stuff you can handle, take care of it. Now, if a flood came through, get the insurance. I mean, that's if they cover it. But see, you gotta, whatever's in the underwriting. Yeah, y'all got a lot of aloe vera, man. That's the most I've ever seen right there. That's pretty cool right there. Now, I mean, my daughters would love it. I mean, if you don't want one of them plants, I'm about to grab your socks. I meant to grab this. Yeah. They one is 17. I have one that's 8, and then one that's she's about to be 4, so she's 3. Yeah. Oh yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, I definitely do. Thank you. I'll grab one. Just tell me what you want and I'll grab them. Yeah, they'll like that. That's all they talk about. We put in the house. They drink the aloe vera water. They love that water. Yeah.
Now they're so small.
Yeah.
Just take it out, plant them in a different
and it just.
and within a month they're big.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, this all used to be one plant.
Oh wow, you grabbed it.
Yeah, because my friends and someone came in the afternoon. He said he will take one, another one. So people just one.
Wow. Well, that's cool then. That's amazing right there. Try to get as much as I can. That way you don't have to put so much in the bin. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's most of that for you. Let me get that biggest one. Okay. This weather, that Michael brought in, the hurricane brought in all this crazy weather. That cold came out of nowhere. I'm telling you. Yeah. Yeah, and it's crazy. Like, I thought the city would have been able to fix it a little faster, but
yeah, I had a friend here, and he says that since day before yesterday, they don't have electricity.
Yeah.
So it's been 2 days.
Yeah. A lot of people, food went bad there. I mean, it's been crazy. Generators been popping off the shelf at Lowe's. Certain locations was on the news talking about they were selling out. But thing about it, normally they have it on less than a day most times, but that's why I understand. Hard to say. I guess too many of the big trees hit those biggest lines and cause a lot of damage. Oops, somebody keep calling. Yeah, that's the main thing. Get all out the grass. I mean, we ain't got to get all in there because there's going to be some that's just going to be in there. That looks good, guys. That's perfect. Just a big stick. There's a few big sticks I see, and I see. I helped you, sis.
You helped me.
I helped you. I helped you, boss. That's fine. Just throw me. Rake out here. Boom. Here. You say foul. You. Yo, what's up, guys? If anybody's hung on up to this point, when you got a yard like this, you guys took really good care of his grass and his whole yard is manicured, you know, so to speak. You just want to try to do the best you possibly can do, because you'd be surprised how many tree guys don't know how to clean up. But again, I'm a little more meticulous than most guys. I guess that's why I had to stop doing yard work, because I just would spend too much time on nothing. But I go after everything I can possibly get. You see, digging out the pine cones and just trying to be as thorough as possible. But that's always kept me working, kept my name straight. And you know, me and the guys mess around a little bit, but the main thing is to do the really good job. This job right here took us probably about, the path that we walked,
I guess, give or take, maybe about 2 hours, if even that, because all the edited
that I'm doing on these videos from the start to the finish have just been little bits and pieces. And we spent some time talking to the homeowner, so maybe about 2 hours, if even that, we was in and out on this tree. Well, you should have told me that before. I would let you go. Shouldn't have came in, boy. Should have stayed there and got some honey. Got some honey. I'm sorry, I mean hit you, man. Nah, I ain't mean to. I'm just trying to. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get this right here. This was the main area. I just want to get right. Yeah, just anything like that. Make it look right. Here's another one. Grab that one. Okay. All right, that should be good right there. I think that's pretty. Yeah, some of them have already been there anyway, just from the time of the tree. But we kind of. Oh yeah, you can leave that saw right there. I'm gonna have to cut some holes into. I'm gonna have to cut some lines in that stump. You know, I'm not sure what that is. I looked at that. I thought maybe somebody had came through and was. I'm gonna tell you what, birds do that sometimes. It looked like maybe when the worms was out, maybe the birds dug some holes, because what they'll do there. Yeah, it's pretty deep, ain't it? And I don't see nothing going down any. Well, not unless you might have a moles. Little moles maybe trying to get access. Maybe they was trying to get in somewhere. That's the only thing maybe. But I don't see no little line. But normally you would see some. Because there's one right here too.
Yeah, it's only in this area.
Yeah, it has always happened. I just knew. I don't know then. Looked like something was hunting and pecking though. Yeah. It was. Now I was gonna say, now unless it might be a groundhog. Some
deer sometimes, but these are not deer.
Deer hooves. Because they would have been all the way through. You know, just and rake this whole area right here. Yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out. I don't know. It's hard to say on that one. Yep. Yeah,